Tecno has the next Camon series in the works. A device titled Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G has surfaced on the web, listed on a European certification database. Premier, in the title, indicates it's the highest-end device among its siblings. Here's everything we have gathered on it so far. The preceding Camon catalog didn't have any Premier model, just Camon 19 Pro and Pro 5G, though Camon 18 series brought a Premier phone with flagship-like specs. Premiers have AMOLED screens, unlike Pro models, so Tecno rejuvenating that brand is refreshing. Talking about Camon 20 Premier's latest appearance, it popped up on the EEC certification database, revealing the moniker and model number CK9N. The file didn't unveil any of its specifications but did indicate the imminent arrival in Tecno smartphone price in the European markets. Specs-wise, users should expect this model to be a top-notch device in terms of photography, performance, visuals, and design. The phone should bring specs on par with Tecno's parent Camon 18 Premier device. Here's a rundown of its specs. Camon 18 Premier was the highest-end phone in the catalog. Its primary camera had a whopping f1.6 aperture. Joining it was the 12-megapixels ultrawide camera stabilized using micro-gimbal technology. The model had a flagship-like camera setup for steady, shake-free video and low-light photography.